Ready for tomorrow, yes, and today is the lovers video. Tashreeb, yes, just like you saw. Yes, not just any Tashreeb, but today I made it with beef cheeks. Look at these cheeks. No, this is the Iraqi red Tashreeb, of course, but with beef cheeks, with beef head meat. No, it's not bad, it's outstanding. Look at this amazing recipe, honestly, with cheeks. Cheek Tashreeb. Today, let's go. We have our crumbled bread and the kamal, and let's pour our Tashreeb and get everything ready. I don't want to pour it all out since the tray might not hold it and I don't want it to get soggy. Look, come on, cheeks. Of course, I even put green beans in it, as you can see, green onions, potatoes, some with onions, regular onions. And today's meal is honestly a masterpiece, and there's plenty of cheeks, tomatoes are there. And now we'll pour our soup. Come on, if we pour it all out, especially with this part, look at me, heroes, that's enough. Because I don't want the bread to get too soaked, and we don't need it. Here. Our enemy is here, and there's a lot of our Tashreeb today, heroes. Take a close look at the amazing cheeks and the rest of the Tashreeb ingredients. Let it cool down a bit before we start the mukbang, and honestly, the smell is irresistible, Janus. How are we supposed to wait for it to cool down? I don't know. Come on, hurry up, and let's get started. Look at this, Habo. What is this cheek? What is this, Akuch? No, my dear, what are these cheeks? What are these cheeks? It's still a bit hot, but what can we do? Come on, in the name of God, look at these beef cheeks. Hmm. He wants my cheeks, but what are they, my dear? No, my dear, there's food inside. You can tell it's some stew or tashreeb, something great. They want this cheek from us too, they do. They do. Don't talk to me or tell me anything, and after that it's tough. But honestly, the smell doesn't give you a chance. Come on, take the soup cow. It's a bit spicy. They mixed it with pepper paste, pepper too. Yeah. Honestly, you'll love the taste. Let's keep it looking like this. Leave it as it is. Let's press it down. Finish it, leave it, press it down more. It's a hot bread bowl since the bread is hot, and they also text incomplete. They also. Don't talk to me, my dear, about the taste. History. Oh, people, come on. Oh, homators, look, this is the way. Huh? And this is after I took Rabushin, the one I took, and the bread, and this is the rest. Where is the bread, people? Since I couldn't find Iraqi bread, I used tortilla bread instead. It tastes amazing. Come on, Yafon, try the peas. What's the game? Oh, sorry, I mean the green beans. A complete meal. The stew with beef cheeks is amazing. Wow, subscribe to the channel. Juba bread is small, baba. Subscribe to the channel, try it with head meat, the stew is okay. Without limits. The amount of meat is insane, wow. Translation by Nana. The heat of the pepper is in them. Okay, here's the rest of the filling in the bread. Of course, I heated this up, but it's not really hot. Look, there's just a little bread, so let's put it here. Oh, let's take a look at this mixture, my dear friends. This is the bread. I brought it especially for you. Here, take a look at the fresh cow's milk. Of course, I brought it fresh from the farm. Okay, and last time I made them with barbecue, grilled and smoked. This time I thought I'd make them with stew. Look at this sandwich. What do you think? What do you say? Honestly, no one asked me. Absolutely no one. Tell me, what are they? What food? Because the taste is amazing, it's irresistible. With beef cheeks. This thing is incredible. The meat here is so tender it's falling apart. Don't mind me, I'm devouring it. Mmm. Wow. I have a little bit of chickpeas, the hummus. Is it not cooked the right way? Honestly, I forgot about it at first, then I thought, okay, let me leave it. And the chickpeas are dry chickpeas, not the canned, cooked kind. No. I saved you from the negatives. You were a bit annoyed when you found out. So no one says it. Mia bros, you're exaggerating and being too nice. I told you about the hummus just now, as you saw. I told you if the hummus has something wrong with it, I'll say it. Why wouldn't I say it? Oh, at the end, from the cheek and a bit of bread. Oh God, thank you, God. Honestly, the cheeks are amazing. This is the green beans. It only has a reputation because of the hummus. It played an amazing role for the green beans. From experience, yes, Tashreeb. Subscribe to the channel, you can feel the flavor, its drops, the identity of the Tashreeb. Come to us, we cook it slowly in a pan and pot, souring it with lemon. Subscribe to the channel. Amazing. Subscribe to the channel. Yes, the color of the Lupini beans is just right. Amazing. But I'm going to make the Lupini beans the Iraqi way. I'll make it. I'll make you an amazing Lupini bean dish. If I remembered, I would have done it later, but I forgot. Then I remembered the Lupini beans. How? But anyway, it's not like it's undercooked. It's actually well cooked. Look, it's done. It's just a little bit crunchy. I'll finish eating it slowly with you. And honestly, there's nothing left except the Lupini beans. Let's go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, what?